International House has provided a really great environment for me, not only to meet people from all over the world, but also provide a social aspect as well.
IH is like a family that bond tightly together, where you can feel supported, loved by the peers.
I came up not knowing anybody, and I've been able to meet a lot of people from all over the world, which is fantastic. It's also provided a place where I can study, and I'm really right in the midst of the university campus.
The community is the best. Everyone is always welcome for a chat. You can go and say hi to everyone, and they'll tell you where they're from, what they're doing, and all sorts of things that you would have never learned otherwise.
The Welcome Week is a perfect blast to start uni. Starting uni for me is a little bit overwhelmed, but IH put me through that week. And I got to meet a lot of new friends around the world, not only from the Asia country, but a lot from the other countries. They're all very friendly, they're nice to me. We are all welcomed by the old or new residents.
Welcome Week at International House is designed to allow new residents to meet as many people as possible in the first week in Sydney. We hold over 50 events throughout Welcome Week, including social activities, city tours, and academic workshops. As a returning resident, the nicest thing about Welcome Week is to see our new residents settling in, enjoying themselves, and forming new friendships.
I'd really like to encourage anybody to come to IH as a really inclusive environment that would welcome anybody. And if you do decide to come here, make sure you make the most of all the opportunities. There's a lot to gain from International House, and if you put your hand up and join in the activities, you'll take a lot from the experience.